Slush and recovery, the theme of Friday's Worcester commute. That's if cars were able to even get moving.
It's awful. It's ice everywhere, slush, cars are sliding. It's not good driving.
Several inches of fast-falling snow caused problems for emergency vehicles trying to navigate both the slushy mess and the stranded drivers.
They were real slick, especially here. They were real slick. Even in four-wheel drive in the truck, I was spinning all four.
The snow crawled in slowly overnight, but by daylight at times was falling 2 inches per hour. Combine that with pavement temps falling.
People stuck in the snow. Guy down on Lake Ave hit a fence.
By the time the storm was done, covering some areas in a foot of snow, the cleanup was already underway.
It's a bit slick, I think. It's a little slippery, I think, but I got good tires, so I should be okay.
The only worry now, what happens to what is left when the sun goes down?
Yeah, definitely good chance of it when things set to ice over. It's hard for these guys to keep up with so many roads in the city,
And that is that concern here. You see on the ground this slushy mess. That is what they are afraid might freeze overnight. They want people to be careful, but crews do tell us they will be out overnight clearing those sidewalks and those side streets. We're live in Worcester. Nicole Estefan, WCVB News Center 5.